Bismillah wa salatu salam ala Rasulullah. Just to continue again, remember, we are riding or we are getting on board of this ship of EIECC to make sure we present Islam to the whole world. Now, before going into, I just want to show you something here. You see, the whole world is full of many problems. And these problems, as you can see, are challenges for the humanity. We have partisanship, we have racism in the world, we have wars and conflict, we have violence, we have cultural misunderstanding, miscommunication, we have environmental pollution, we have thought pollution, we have natural instincts, unfortunately, polluted by gays and lesbians. We have spiritual void and people worshipping creation instead of worshipping the Creator. We have drugs and crimes all over the world. We have wars that are unstoppable, unfortunately fueled by superpowers. We have lack of inner world peace. We have immorality, we have rebellion against nature, we have starvation, people who are starving, people who are living famine. We have a lot of the needy and the poor people. There are lots of problems and challenges that the whole world is facing. Now, we Muslims have been entrusted to spread the message and present it so beautifully to the whole world. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with a call that resonates 5 times a day. And this call has got the solution for all these problems. If you look at it now, you have the call for a prayer. And this call for a prayer is really, if people understand it very well, and they really present Islam through just these words of the call, they will see lots of changes that are happening in the world. You know, and you can see the call here. Hayya ala salat, hayya ala al-falah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala starts by saying, because that is a revealed, or these were revealed words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to His Prophet Muhammad through a dream by one of the companions, Abdullah bin Zayd at that time. He had that dream. Allah subhanahu